As an advisor for the past 14 years, let's talk about a topic that nobody wants to talk about: divorce. Actually, most of them have no idea what it does to their insurance policy. So stay with me for 2 minutes because what I say could save you a lot of money and headache in the future. Now, first thing to understand is that there is a difference between the policy owner and the person insured. These two can be very different people. And in a lot of married couples, one spouse owns the policy on the other. That means the husband could be the payer and the wife could be the insured. And here's where it gets complicated. If your spouse owns your policy, they have legal right to lapse it, to stop paying the premiums, to cancel the plan entirely without asking you. And if that happens, you lose pretty much everything that you've built up in that policy, especially if you are the payer, but you are not the owner on paper. So your coverage history, your premiums that you have paid, sometimes even your right to reinstate it at the same time. Because when you surrender the policy, you normally cannot reinstate it anymore unless it's lapsed. Next, your beneficiary. Now, most married people list their spouse as their beneficiary on their policy, the person who will receive the payout when death happens. And here's what people assume: that when divorce happens, this does not automatically update. It doesn't. You have to manually change it. So what does it mean if you forget? Life is busy, it's a very stressful period, divorce is stressful, of course. Your ex-spouse could still be the one who received your life insurance paid up, even if you've been divorced for many, many years, or even if you have remarried. I've seen this happens, and it creates a lot of problems for families who are left behind. If you have children, this is especially important. After a divorce, you want to make sure that your children are protected, regardless of what happens between you and your ex. Now, you can nominate your children directly as beneficiaries or set up a trust so that money is managed properly until they're old enough to receive it. You also want to review any riders on your policy. Now, like your child riders, your critical illness riders, hospital income. Some of those are tied to the family structure and maybe you need some updating. So what should you actually do? Whether you're going through a divorce now or you've been divorced for a while or never thought about this, here's your checklist. Number one, find out who owns each of your policy. If it's your spouse, you need a plan. Number two, check your beneficiaries on every single policy: life insurance, critical illness, investment link, all of them. Number three, if you have children, make sure that they are protected directly. And number four, talk to your advisor. Not to buy something new, but just to make sure that whatever you have reflects what you want. Look, nobody get married planning to end their marriage, but the least we can do is to make sure that if life changes, your protection doesn't fall apart with it, and you want to make sure that your finances go to people that you really want it to go to. If you're not sure where you stand with your policy, just send me a DM. We'll do a quick review and see how it goes.